Hi friend! Looking for quick, ready-to-use visuals? Try the Sharing Center. It's a great place to start. Click the blue tab at the top. Here you can search for the materials you need. If I need materials for the Life Cycles unit, I can search for Life Cycles. Or I can search for activities for Final K. It's that easy. Shared materials are organized by categories on the left side of the page. These categories open to subcategories. Let's take a look. Autism supports and behavior strategies, communication, curriculum and instruction, health and well-being, seasons and holidays, and transition vocational. Let's look in the Autism Support and Behavior Strategies section, and then the Feelings and Emotions folder. There are so many ideas. Also in the left column, I can filter materials by template. For example, if I need visuals to help with fire drills, I can search for fire drill. Then I may choose to filter for only books and stories template about a fire drill. When I click on the material I need, I can download and use. So simple! Under the Download PDF button, I can see all of the images used in the material. Maybe I would like to use just some of the symbols and words from the material. I can drag them to the tray from here. If I would like to modify the material, I can click the plus Load All link. This puts all of the symbols in the tray with the text from the material. I can add more symbols if I would like. Today, I will recreate the story in Spanish. Just click the Create Materials button. I will choose the same template, Books and Stories. Click the English drop-down menu and choose Spanish. Click Translate. Add a new title and choose the style. Now we have a ready-made material from the Sharing Center translated into Spanish. LessonPix, quick, custom materials at your fingertips.